Shaky footage can make videos look unprofessional and distracting, especially in travel videos, vlogs, action shots, or handheld recordings. The good news is that Adobe Premiere Pro includes powerful stabilization tools that can smooth out camera shake and make your footage look much more cinematic. So in this full guide, I'll show you how to stabilize shaky video in Premiere Pro step by step in 2026. First, open Adobe Premiere Pro and import the shaky footage you want to stabilize. Now drag the clip onto the timeline to create a sequence. Before stabilizing, preview the clip carefully so you can identify how much camera shake is present. To stabilize the footage, open the Effects panel and search for Warp Stabilizer. Now drag the Warp Stabilizer effect onto the shaky clip. Premiere Pro will automatically analyze the footage and apply stabilization settings. And honestly, stabilization works best when the original footage isn't extremely shaky. Using tripods, gimbals, or steady handheld movement while filming still produces the best results. And that's your full guide on how to stabilize shaky video in Premiere Pro in 2026. Hopefully now you have a clear understanding of how to smooth camera movement and create more professional-looking videos using Premiere Pro.